Hello everyone, welcome. So today we are making special egg burji. So for this unique dish, firstly we have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. So when the oil is hot, we will be adding onions. So here we have added 1 onion. So fry these onions till they are golden brown. So when you see the onions have been golden brown, so nextly we will be adding cumin seeds. So here we are adding half spoon of cumin seeds. After roasting it for half a minute, nextly we will be adding 1 tomato. So after adding the tomatoes, we are going to mix and fry this until the tomatoes get softer. So now the tomatoes you can see are soft. So now nextly we will be adding ginger garlic paste. So we have added 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste over here. So we are going to mix it well. Now adding salt as per taste. So now we will mix all the ingredients well. So nextly we are adding turmeric powder. We are adding half a spoon of turmeric powder. Then we are adding half a spoon of garam masala, and the secret ingredient of this recipe is this red chili powder, which will enhance the taste of the egg burji. If anybody of you are interested in buying this red chili powder, do comment in the comment section. So nextly we have added coriander powder. We are adding half spoon of coriander powder. Now we will mix all of these ingredients very well and then fry it for another 1 minute. So after the curry is ready, we will be adding our eggs to this. So just break the raw eggs and directly add it into the mix. So here we have added 2 eggs to this mix vegetables, and we have added coriander leaves. Now we are going to mix all of these ingredients very well and just cook it for 1 minute. As you can see, we are mixing all of this very nicely. So just mix everything nicely so that nothing remains raw. So here you can see our delicious, special and unique egg burji is now ready to eat. Do try it out and let us know your feedback. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.